Hi everybody. Now this is assignment 1. Okay, we're going to do insert cells and delete cells. Okay, so first thing first, you need to open this patient visit insert delete. Okay, next thing, to find the instruction, you can either take your book, go to page 145, or you find your PowerPoint. Inside your PowerPoint, you search for this topic, insert cells into a worksheet. Okay. Now, so first thing first, we go to G5. Okay, so we need to select G5 after we open. So where's G5? This is G5. Okay, and then we go to the home tab. This is a home tab, should be open by default. Okay, then we go to insert. Sorry, we go to sales group first. Sales group. Okay, so this is sales group. Okay, now click the top part. You see, notice there's two buttons, top and the bottom. Okay, we want to click the top part. Now take a note at take a look at this part. Before I select, you see, it goes down. Everything will go down together. Okay, so notice or not? Let me do it again. Okay, you see, I select here and then I click the top part. Everything goes down together. Okay, so after that, inside here we type 590. Okay, and then next we need to select 03 to 09. Okay, 03 to 09, we go to the insert. Okay, if you notice here, January to December, November is missing, right? Okay, so we need to go to insert first and then insert cells. Okay, notice it's written there, shift cell right. Make sure this is selected. Okay, then click OK. Okay, you see, notice this one appears. Right, let me do it again. Insert cells, and then insert cells right. See, this thing appears. Okay, so after this, all right, you need to type in November and type in everything here. Okay, so let me type it in first. November. After this is 480 502 446 577 302 302. Okay, so this is done for this part, but we are not done for assignment 1 yet because we have the next section. The next section is delete cells from worksheet. So we need to click P7. Okay, make sure you click P7. So P7, this is P7. Okay, and then we want to go to the home tab, cells group, and then we click the delete cells. Okay, now you notice we have all these things, right? Now which option should we choose? We should choose the shift cells left. Shift cells left, you see, notice here, shift cells left, press OK, and take a note at here. You see Q7 will suddenly go to here, so 600 will replace the 597. Okay, you take a look. Now there you go. You see or not? What happens is the 597 disappear and then the 600 replace with it. Okay, I show you again. Delete cells, shift cell left. Make sure you select this out correctly, otherwise you'll mess things up. Then, okay, ta-da, magic trick. All right. So after this, we need to highlight A8 to P8. Okay. Now, if you notice, this A8 to P8 and A9 to P9, all right, these two have the exact same number, everything, entry, everything. So it's a duplicate. Now we don't want that. Okay. So what do we do is that we click delete again. No, we right click this time. We want to use a different method this time. Instead of going to here, what we can do is over here. You notice this one is the cursor is now is a big white cross. Okay, we right click, right? You can select delete. Same thing. Okay. Now which one should we select? Ensure shift cells left is selected. So shift cells left, press OK. And then you notice, oops, wait, A9 or A8 or A9? I think there is a problem. Okay, it should not be shift cell left. It should be, shift cell up. Oh, okay, yeah, I missed out number 6. Let me redo that. Okay, so right click, delete, shift cells up. These are already automatic lah. So I press OK. Right. So to delete the range of cell in the column, highlight D3 to D8. Okay. Now this one we do want it to appear, so we do the same thing. Okay. In the cells group we delete sheet, delete cells. Okay, delete cells, shift cell left, this one sure is selected. You see the whole thing moves there. Okay, so once you've done this, save, save it, no particular saving, save already, then you submit lah. Okay, all right, thank you.